Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GA4 series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about how to enable Google signals for personalized ads and retargeting. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let's get to know what is Google signals. So Google Signals is a feature that allows Google to collect data on people who are both signed into their Google account, like Gmail, on a website or app, and have turned on ad personalization for their accounts. In GA4, you can enable Google Signals and hence can have all the data collected on that user be tied to your reports in GA4. So why we should use Google Signals? What are the benefits of using Google Signals? So for knowing the benefits, we'll go to the official documentation of GA4. Then we can see we have four benefits over here. Like first one is cross-platform reporting. So if I click on it, then you can see over here, connect data about devices and activities from different sessions using your user ID or Google Signals data. So you can get an understanding of user behavior at each step of conversion process from initial contact to conversion and beyond. Cross-device activity is tracked when you log into a Google account using the following: iOS devices, Android devices, Google Chrome web browser, other web browsers, client apps that require a Google account, other apps that require a Google account. Google Signals does not support iOS 14 Plus and upward devices. Apple no longer support IDFA. For iOS 14 Plus devices, you must use user ID tracking for cross-device tracking. So the next benefit is remarketing with Google Analytics. So if I click on it, you can see over here, create remarketing audiences from your Google Analytics data and share those audiences with your linked advertising account. Third one is advertising reporting features. So Google Analytics collects information per your tagging configuration, as well as Google Signals data and Google advertising cookies that are present. And the last one is demographic and interest. Google Analytics collect additional information about demographics and interest from device identifiers and from users who are signed in to their Google accounts and who have turned on ad personalization. So let's see how we can enable Google Signals from a GA4 property. So for enabling Google Signal, I need to click on admin. Then I'll go to the property section. And if I scroll down a little bit, then I have an option called data settings. So I'm going to click on data collection, you know. So let's wait a little bit. It might take some time, you know. So you can see over here, Google Signals data collection. So advertising features have been upgraded with the activation of Google Signals, collect cross-device data and remarket to users across device. Okay, so I'm gonna click on get started for enabling Google Signals. So you can see over here, activate Google Signals. So those are the benefits: new cross-device capabilities, more insights using Google data, all existing advertising features. So I'm gonna click on continue. Then you can read those informations from here. So I'm gonna click on activate. Then you have an option here. So you can see over here, Google Signals data collection is allowed in 307 of 307 regions. So if you want to filter any country from here, like if you don't want to see the data, or if you don't want to show the report for specific countries, so you can deselect this toggle button or this checkbox. So for me, I'm gonna keep all the countries available. Okay, so if you want, you can deselect any of the countries from here. Okay, then from granular location and device data collection, I'll click this on, and from this section, user data collection acknowledgement, I need to click on I acknowledge. Okay, so I'm gonna click on it. Then you can see over here, Google Signal has been enabled. Okay, so now we can have those benefits because we just enable the Google Signals. Like we can do from now cross-platform reporting, remarketing with Google Analytics, advertising reporting features, and demographic and interest. So this is how we can enable Google Signals for our GA4 property. So hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can do it. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.